Hello, I'm Seneca Eldridge, Business Solutions Manager at TCIA, and we are here at the inaugural Business Growth Workshop. Yesterday, we had some phenomenal sessions regarding finances as well as workforce development, and today we're focusing on marketing and then how to make OSHA and DOT standards simplified. And we have to thank our phenomenal sponsor for this event, Arborware. We are here at their headquarters in their retail store, and they have been absolutely phenomenal. Not only are they hosting us, but also led a wonderful session on employee retention yesterday. So we are thrilled to be here, and more than just being here and having these learning opportunities, we are seeing our members engaging with each other, connecting and problem solving together, which is half of this whole reason that we're doing Business Growth Workshop, is to connect our members with each other so that they can problem solve together, they can share in the challenges they're facing and find meaningful solutions.
Hi, I'm Amy. I'm from Big O Tree and Lawn in Storage Draft, Virginia. We are here at the Business Growth Workshop at Arborware. We've come up here to learn more about expanding our business, getting more revenue, getting more customer leads. We're really excited about the opportunity. We've learned so much.
Really came here with the expectation that we wanted to learn a little bit more about our business and a little bit more about what we could do moving forward. Also, wanted to give back to some other businesses that may be struggling with the same things that we were. It's been great. Can't wait to come do it again.
Hi, my name is Archie. I am with Northwood Tree Care based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So I made the trip over to Ohio to Arborware to attend the Business Growth Workshop with TCIA. We are fortunate to be in a position where we're growing, but I wanted to get a better understanding of our finances and where ranges are, where we should be, where we are able to improve. We've had a couple opportunities to learn about emotional management, which is great. We've learned some financial literacy. We've learned about some marketing and retaining employees as well. So even the areas that I didn't think I needed a ton of help with, like the marketing, I came away with a ton of information and a lot of opportunities for me to improve.
My name's Adam McClellan. I own McClellan Tree Service. I came to the Business Growth Workshop to network, meet other business owners, learn how to better run my business, take care of my employees, and be able to give back. So it's been a wonderful experience. I've learned a lot, and I look forward to coming back out next year.
Hi, my name is Chandra Brown. I'm with CM Tree Service out of Billings, Montana. And this weekend we had the opportunity to attend the Business Growth Workshop here in Ohio. We've been members of TCIA for 5 years now, and we've seen a lot of value out of our membership. They continue to grow and offer new opportunities to pour into the industry, and we learn something everywhere we go. This week specifically, really enjoyed the marketing aspect that Bea had to present to us. That's always a changing world, and so it's really nice to have an industry professional and a leader in marketing to be able to teach us and give us some application tips. So that was very fun. Have really enjoyed the networking aspect and met a lot of really new cool people, and so just looking forward to the next TCIA event.